Your living room is the heart of your home, but what truly brings it to life? The answer might just be under your feet. In 2025, the perfect rug isn't just about comfort, it's about design harmony, balance, and personality. Welcome to Living Room Perfection Starts with the Right Rug, where we explore how the right choice can completely redefine your space. And for those seeking the latest luxury and custom-made designs, visit rugdubai.com, your destination for trend-setting rugs that transform every living room. 1. The foundation of design. Every great living room begins with the perfect foundation, and that's your rug. It defines zones, anchors furniture, and sets the mood. In 2025, designers are using rugs as the central design element, a piece that ties the entire room together, blending texture, color, and comfort seamlessly. 2. Color harmony for modern spaces. Your rug should complement the color palette of your space. This year's trends lean toward warm neutrals, sandy beige, and calming blues, but bold emeralds and terracottas are also making a statement. Choosing the right tone can either ground your space in calmness or energize it with vibrance. The rug is your mood maker, subtle or striking, it defines the emotional rhythm of your home. 3. Texture, the touch of luxury. Visual design catches your eye, but texture keeps your attention. In 2025, texture-driven rugs, with high-low piles, layered weaves, and tactile surfaces add warmth and sophistication to any living room. They not only look luxurious but feel it too, making every step more inviting. 4. Size and scale, the secret to balance. Choosing the right size is one of the most overlooked parts of rug styling. A small rug can make a large space feel disconnected, while an oversized rug brings everything into harmony. This year, the rule of thumb is to let your rug extend under at least the front legs of your furniture, creating a cohesive, spacious feel. 5. Style meets personality. Your rug should tell your story. Whether it's a minimalist solid tone, a vintage Persian-inspired design, or a bold geometric print, it should echo your personality. In 2025, expressive interiors are in. That means rugs that don't just match your room, but define it. 6. Light and shadow play. Lighting enhances everything, and rugs are no exception. Matte fibers create soft shadows that feel calm and organic, while silk blend finishes reflect light beautifully, adding a subtle glow to your space. The right rug under the right lighting can completely transform how your living room feels, from cozy and intimate to bright and luxurious. 7. Layering for depth. Want to add a designer touch? Layer your rugs. Combine a soft neutral base with a patterned accent rug or play with contrasting textures. This trend brings dimension and richness to your living space, creating a truly curated and stylish look. 8. Sustainability in style. The perfect living room doesn't just look good, it does good. Sustainable rugs made from natural fibers like wool, jute, or recycled materials are defining 2025's interiors. They offer timeless charm while supporting an eco-friendly lifestyle. 9. Functionality without compromise. Modern living requires practical elegance. The newest rugs are stain-resistant, washable, and durable, perfect for busy households without sacrificing beauty. Now, you can enjoy luxury and functionality in one stunning design. 10. The rugdubai.com experience. At rugdubai.com, every collection is crafted with your living room in mind. From modern abstracts to handmade classics, each rug blends quality craftsmanship with innovative design. Whether you're designing a cozy apartment or a luxurious villa, Rug Dubai helps you find the perfect rug to complete your vision. The perfect living room isn't built overnight, it's crafted piece by piece, beginning from the floor up. So, start where it matters most. Choose the rug that defines your comfort, complements your style, and completes your story. Explore exclusive 2025 designs today at rugdubai.com, because true living room perfection starts with the right rug.